Do you know what's a dream come true for any marketer? It's getting free traffic from search engines like Google day in and day out. But for that to happen, you have to rank your websites. Now, for your websites to rank, you have to get something called backlinks. Now, to create those backlinks, you have to get other sites to, put a link back to your website or to your article or your content. Now, overall, that entire process is expensive, time consuming, and pretty much a pain in the ass. But what if I told you that you could click a button and generate hundreds of quality backlinks every single month? Okay, it's not a dream, it's happening. And let me show you on my video right now. Howdy folks, so I'm on my laptop right now. So let me show you how everything works with A1LinkBuilder. So once you get logged into your dashboard, this is what you'll see. It's super simple. It'll take you like 20 seconds to set up, and that's it. That's hands-free after that. So you don't even have to log back in. They'll also go and send you emails. It'll let you know all the updates automatically. So let me show you how it works, okay? So you click on New Campaign, okay? You give your campaign a name. For example, I'm gonna call it Project Link Building for Side Hustle. It doesn't really matter what you do, okay? So campaign status is inactive right now. I'll keep it inactive until I'm ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. It says campaign type. So we have 3 campaign types, so Avalanche, Max, and Pro. So what are those? So if you have a brand new website that you got like, yesterday or like, less than a month ago, I want you guys to use Avalanche, okay? Now, if you have a website that's like at least 1 year old, use Max. And if your website domain is at least 2 years old, use Pro. Now, why does this make a difference? It does, because think about it for a second, right? So let's say you got a website, okay, and then you plugged it in here and it's like building like crazy amount of leads like overnight. Doesn't make sense, okay? So that's why you need to use one of these campaign types. Now we'll explain more of this on the tutorial as well, but let's move on. I'm going to go ahead and do Pro since my website is going to be over 2 years old. So anchor text is a keyword that you want to rank for. So I'm going to go ahead and try to rank for make money. That's a very hard to rank keyword, right? So I'll do that. Now I want to go ahead and get traffic on my side hustle site. I can get a traffic backlink on my main site, or I can go ahead and do it on side hustle ideas. I can just go ahead and do a URL like that too. Now it says countries to exclude. Now this is only if you want to exclude any IP addresses belonging to a specific country. For example, this might only matter to you in super like niche case where you're doing something specific, but for most of you guys, it does not matter. You can leave this blank, okay? But let's say you do want to select a country. You can go and click here. Let's go and select a random country, Afghanistan right here. You get the idea, right? So now, how many links do you want to build per month? Okay, keep in mind, okay, there is no limitation on how many links you can build on the system. The limitation is per project, okay? So what does that mean? That means that this project can build a maximum of 55 links per month. Now, if you want to do another campaign with the same stuff, 55, you can add it up. The reason we stop you here at 55 is because keep in mind, we're trying to stay natural. What does that mean? That means that, like think about it for a second, okay? So if somebody takes a steroids and gets like ripped, and like bodybuilder like in a week, that's fake, right? That's not real. They did not put real work. So that's why we limit you here. But if you want to, you can go for it, okay? Now, I recommend if it's like your brand new site, I want you to do like, 25. And then for my site, 55 is good, okay? It's good. I would actually do 41, random number here, okay? Random links, okay? It's gonna go and start building links, okay? These 41 links, okay? And then automatically you can select your start date here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Save Campaign. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my campaigns. Now, as you can see, I have not started it yet, okay? I have to click on this little button here that says Start, okay? Once I click on it, okay, it's gonna start building links every 24 hours. So it's going to start building links. So I'm going to click on start. Okay, obviously there's nothing right now. It's going to take 24 hours to like start building, but you'll see the links built in past 30 days. and total links. Let's go and take a look at one of our old campaigns. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at this one. And as you can see, it'll tell you how many links it has built past 30 days, 66. So that means that before that we built a little bit more links. So I've had this campaign for I think 35, 36 days. So you get the idea, right? So this is it. This is all you have to do, and you will rank, you'll get those backlinks. Let's get back on the video now. Now you saw that how amazing it was. Now I have a question for you. Now, do you just want to lay around watching Netflix and doing nothing, or do you want to get this software and let it build backlinks for your websites and blogs and sales page? You should get this, because this works when you're sleeping. When you're lazy, this thing is working 24/7. Now think about it for a second, okay? A service like this would usually cost you a leg and an arm and a monthly subscription fee, but not here anymore, okay? You're getting all of this for a one-time fee because you're an early bird customer, okay? So grab this right now. Don't miss out, because the price goes up at midnight. Take action right now.